In this step, we will connect the store page to Google Analytics, a very powerful analytics tool from Google. To do this, we need to follow 3 steps. The first step is to set it up in Google Analytics. The second step is to set it up in the Google Sheet 2 Product Management. The third step is to test. Let's start with step 1, setting it up in Google Analytics. We begin by logging into Google Analytics. This is the Google Analytics homepage link, or you can also see it in the description. If it's your first time logging into Google Analytics, the system will ask you to create an account step by step. Fill in the account name. For example, here we enter my store on Google's site. Then scroll down and click Next. Next, create a new property. Each property allows you to create and keep data collected from any website or application. Name this property, for example, My Store. In the Reporting Time Zone section, select your country. For example, here we choose Vietnam. In the Currency section, select the currency corresponding to your country. For example, here we select Vietnamese dong. Click Next to continue. In the Business Details section, under Business Size, select Small. Under Industry Category, select Shopping. Click Next to continue. In the Business Objectives section, select the first 4 items. Click Create. A new window will appear. Google will ask you to agree to the terms of service. Select your country again, for example, Vietnam. Click Agree. Continue to the Data Collection section and select Web. Next, set up the data stream. Here you will need to enter the URL of your store page so the system can collect data. You can use your own domain name. If you don't have one, use Google's default domain name, site.google.com view. For example, here I enter the link to my deployed store page. Rename it for easier management. For example, here we name it My Store on Google's site. Continue by clicking Create and Continue. This completes the setup in Google Analytics. We haven't closed this window yet because we'll return to it in the next step. Let's begin step 2, setting up in the Google Sheet file 2 Product Management. First, open the Google Sheet file managing the product catalog 2 Product Management. Go to sheetname 3 Setting Google Analytics, where you'll find a setup table. You'll need to fill in 2 fields, Measurement ID and Data Stream API Secret Value. To fill in Measurement ID, return to the Google Analytics interface and click on the created data stream. A details table will open. Copy the Measurement ID information. Return to the Google Sheet interface and paste it into the corresponding field in the setup table. Continue filling in the data stream API secret value information. Return to the Google Analytics window. In the Details panel, scroll down to the Measurement Protocol API Secret section and click on it. Continue by clicking Review Terms a notification will appear. Click I acknowledge to agree to the policy. Then click Create to create the API secret. Name this API secret, for example, My Store API, and then click Create. The system will then create an API secret. Click Copy to copy this string. Return to the Google Sheet interface window. In the Settings panel, paste the corresponding information into the field. Now simply turn this feature on. The setup is complete. Now let's test how Google Analytics collects data.